శ్రీమాత్రే నమః. శ్రీ దక్షిణామూర్తయే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయిరామ్. If you feel any negative energies in your house, then the symptoms will be occur. Regularly we feel negative energies are flowing in our home due to vastu problems or any problems. There are so many remedies for these problems. First, we have to recognize by these conditions. There will be continuous health problems for family members. There will be continuous arguments between family members. There will be so troubles in career growth and problems. There will be not be mental peace in between the family members. No mental peace available in family members. And also regular financial problems or loan problems will arise at some intervals of time. Due to above conditions, we should recognize there is negative energy in our house. What remedies should be taken by these removing the negative energies in our house? First, we have to do the following remedies. Number 1, clean your house with sea salt. Clean your house with sea salt. Second one, use camphor daily in your harati. Use camphor daily in your harati. Third one, spread Ganga water in Amavasya and Purnima in your house. Spread Ganga water or sprinkle Ganga water in Amavasya or Purnima. Fourth one, clean your northeast part of the house. That means Eashanyam part of the house or outside the Eashanyam part in your compound. Fifth one, make swastik symbol on the main doors. Make swastik symbol with chandan or kumkum. Please make swastik symbol on the main doors. These remedies will give better relief for your life gain, for your financial problems and other problems. This will give much remedies for the negative energies flowing in your house. Do it them immediately and get good results in your house.